In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix ChatGPT unable to display visualization. 2026 guide. When a chart or image refuses to appear, it's often a local browser issue rather than a problem with your prompt. Start by giving ChatGPT a clean slate. Open your browser settings by clicking the three dots in the top right. Then go to Privacy and Security, Third-party cookies, and choose. See all site data and permissions. Use the search box to look up ChatGPT, then click the trash can icon to remove its cached files and stored data. Repeat the same for OpenAI. This targeted purge clears stale layers that can block inline images or interactive plots. Afterward, close the Settings tab, refresh ChatGPT, and be ready to sign in again if you're logged out. If visuals still don't show, quickly rule out extension conflicts. Open a private or incognito window with Control plus Shift plus N on Windows or Command plus Shift plus N on a Mac. Head to chatgpt.com, sign in, and run the exact same request. If the visualization appears here, the culprit is an extension. Go back to your normal browser window, open your extensions menu, and temporarily disable your ad blocker or whitelist chatgpt.com so scripts that render images aren't blocked. When the browser is clean but the interface still shows a broken image icon, prompt the model to re-render the output in a safer format. Say, the visualization window is blank. Please rerun the script using a standard static library like Matplotlib or Seaborn. Save it as a high-resolution PNG and display it directly in the chat window. If that doesn't work, try output the graph as a base 64 encoded image string inside a markdown block so my browser can render it directly. These nudges steer the backend to produce a plain embeddable image instead of an interactive element that your browser might be blocking. If the chat window refuses to display anything in line, bypass it entirely and pull the actual file. Ask, since the visualization tool is having an interface display error, output the Python code, generate the chart behind the scenes, and provide me with a physical clickable hyperlink to download the image file directly to my desktop. Click the provided link to save the PNG or PDF locally. Finally, confirm it's not a broader environment issue. Try a different browser engine like switching from Chrome or Edge to Firefox or Safari. Then check status openai.com to make sure there isn't an ongoing service degradation. That's it. A targeted data cleanup plus smart fallback prompts will get your charts rendering reliably. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.